Really?
Resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. Vivian, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. We rock. Capsule transport can make the jump. I'm hit.
Two more incoming. Looks like taking evasive action.
Try to shake him.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends to make this a fair fight. Don't worry. I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Processing and interrogation. Now get out.
It's been like 2.5 hours, but we're finally about to be
To return to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. The probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Your operation detected 1-3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? Get down. It's bad. Oh, it's real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence. Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about...
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffold's spot.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Incredible.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes,
Wow.
you too.
Amazing.
Goodbye, citizen. You may go. Clear the way, please.